Nucypher is a cryptographic structure that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers engineers to store, share, and oversee private information across different blockchains while allowing designers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The businesses, for example, banking and medical services areas that arrangement with a gigantic volume of subtleties influence the upsides of Nucypher protection encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egorov and Maclane Wilkeson in 2015. The two fundamental innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate powerful access control and mystery the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and renounces admittance to delicate information, while secret administration framework stores delicate data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbral and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbral assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without gambling with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish decoding freedoms to the recipients with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, however they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. How does the Nucypher organize work? In the principal stage, a proprietor can encode information with the public key and transfer it to distributed circulated record frameworks like IPFS, Multitude, or some other stockpiling layer to store and share content across decentralized networks. Proprietors need to make and transfer re-encryption keys to the Nucypher organization to appoint admittance to substantial beneficiaries. In the subsequent stage, Ursula acknowledges the re-encryption keys. In return for expenses and block rewards, Ursula, an excavator, will rekey information. Neither the stockpiling layer nor Ursula approaches plain text. In the third stage, the beneficiary passes an entrance solicitation to the Nucypher organization. In the event that a legitimate re-encryption key exists, information will be rekeyed to the beneficiary's public key, and the beneficiary is permitted to regrave it with the confidential key. Elements of Nucypher organization. Nucypher was framed to determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks, like the SSL, TLS in web applications, and why Cypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of decentralized applications. Nucypher convention principally includes three significant components. Right off the bat, staker hubs where Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a span. The locking of Nu will produce two sorts of remunerations: expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH. Besides, the specialist hub called Ursula helps hold cryptographic tasks. At last, Umbral intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to conveyed conventions. Together the organization jelly data from assaults and spamming. Nucypher specialized examination. The authentic value graph of Nucypher is fascinating. Nucypher took off essentially on October 15, 2021, on the event of the principal commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group reinforced the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchanging 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Besides, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the explanation for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the well-known cryptographic money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at 48 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a flowing stock of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58 on October 15, 2021. The record-breaking low is 6 cents, which was on NOV 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the most exorbitant cost, and it is because of the selling strain after the unequaled high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunge contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu shows that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has abruptly soared and was moved by gigantic volume in October. The light's initial cost of Nucypher was 28 cents, and the end cost of Nucypher was $1.40. Much more, October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a tremendous market cap appreciation. Hence, many coins heightened to an unsurpassed high. Nucypher new cost uncovered a winding down regrettable force on the day-to-day diagram by making more promising low points. There is a slipping example in the pattern line, as displayed in the outlines. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by bad feelings throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun aggregating the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Specialized investigation demonstrates Nucypher new settled underneath the center line of the Bollinger Band. And the Bollinger Band is crushing. On equilibrium, volume pointer was in a downtrend. It has moved on a level plane for the last week. The contrast between the opening and shutting new cost of the light is extremely low. And exchanging volume cozy, truth be told, swing brokers are likewise losing interest in Nucypher new. At the hour of composing, new exchanged on the turn. Prompt help is set at 44 cents. And any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at 42 cents. Beneath 42 cents, merchants can sell Nucypher, and it will contact 39 cents. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is set at 55 cents, and there is an obstruction after that at 70 cents. The significant opposition is put at 80 cents. Subsequent to dissecting the significant specialized markers, MACD is attempting to cross the sign line yet has not affirmed any heading. RSI is 56.41. The ongoing cost is over 20 mA. And the ongoing cost is under 50 mA and 200 mA. In a 5-year figure according to our examination and forecasts, the most extreme cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. According to TNL's Nucypher gauges, the greatest cost for 2022 will be 64 cents with a typical cost of 58 cents. The transient Nucypher cost expectation looks bullish. Nucypher value expectation 2022. New coin value expectation is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Subsequently, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast theorize a beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is slowly going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the main quarter. Nucypher coin cost expectation predict an end at 74 cents constantly in. Nucypher value expectation 2024. Nucypher expectations are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the principal half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024. Nucypher value expectation 2025. New crypto cost expectation predicts a beginning at $1.09. The most extreme cost anticipated for 2025 is $1.18. Through and through, Nucypher digital currency is a productive speculation for what's in store. Nucypher value expectation 2026. Dissecting the future cost of